Hello everyone, it's my pal. Where does the name for Abergele come from? Or Abergele if you're an English speaker. So Abergele is made of two parts. Aber, which is the outflow of a river, or sometimes where one smaller river connects to a large one. And Gele, which is the name of this river, the Abergele. Now Gele is the local dialect version of Gelai, which is the plural of Gel, so it literally means spears. Now, there's a lot of rivers in Wales that are named after sharp objects. For example, the Abergele in Pembrokeshire, which is the two swords, or Abernoddwydd, the Needle River in Anglesey. And it's probably to do with either the way that the light shines off the top of it, so maybe the light shines off the top of the River Gele like a collection of spears, or maybe it's to do with the way that it cuts through the land. Anyway. So, one of the local legends in Abergele is that actually the original Abergele used to be in the sea, but it flooded. So I'm here in St Michael's churchyard, and there's a stone which describes it. Let's go and find it. So, just here, it says, Yma ma'n gorwedd yn monwent Mehangel. Wr oedd ei anedd. Dair milltir i'r gogledd, which is in Welsh for, here lies, in St Michael's churchyard, a man who was dwelling 3 miles to the north. But 3 miles to the north from here is in the sea. So, who knows? So, before I finish the video, I'm going to show you around one of my favourite nearly medieval churches. Anyway, diolch. Subscribe for more and check out my link in my bio. There's my Patreon if you want to support me, and you can check out my website as well.